39, 1987. The beach here is quiet and beautiful. Kaju Khani is famous drink in Goa. Goa is also famous for its beaches and seafood. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Ivanchika.
Hello everybody, I am Ivanchika. I am from Gujarat. It is located in western part of India. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad is most popular city in Gujarat. The famous dress in Gujarat is Chole Choli. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Hardik.
Hello everybody, I am from Haryana. Haryana is famous for VIP and rich culture. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Haryana is located North India. The language of Haryana is Haryani. I love Haryana. Thank you.
Very good. Loudly.
Now I would like to call Kavya.
Himachal Pradesh is the state of India. It is also known as Devbhoomi. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. The CM of Himachal Pradesh is Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu. The language of Himachal Pradesh is Pahari. The famous dish of Himachal Pradesh is Siddu. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Kavyansh.
Hello everyone, I am Kavanch. I am belong from Jharkhand. Jharkhand is a state in India known as its minerals. The famous dress of Jharkhand, the famous dance of Jharkhand is Humor and Manti. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. The famous food of Jharkhand is Tilka Roti. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Manvi.
Hi, I am Manvi and I am from Karnataka, a beautiful state in southern India, known for its rich culture, heritage, historical landmarks and diverse landscape. Its capital is Bengaluru. The language spoken in Karnataka is Kannada and Konkani. The food eaten in Karnataka is masala dosa and bisi beli bhat. The special dress wear in Karnataka is women's wear sari and men's wear dhoti. Thank you.
Now I like to call Naira.
Hi, I am belong from Kerala. Kerala is the one of the small state of India. It is situated in the southwest corner of India. It is known as God-own country, offering glimpses of India's rich culture and natural beauty. It is renowned of lakes, canals, and waterways. It is famous for Ayurveda, one of the oldest traditional medicine. The hill station of Munnar is famous for sprawling tea garden, and its Priyar National Park is famous for heaven for wildlife. It is it is very beautiful place. Kerala is the one of the popular state of India. If you want to chance go in south, so Kerala is good destination. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Prajwal.
Hello everybody, I belong to Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, the center state of India. It is located in western part of India. It is found in 1 November 1956 of Western Eats. The famous language of Madhya Pradesh is Marathi. The famous dress of Madhya Pradesh is lehenga choli for the women and the dhoti for the men. And the famous food of Madhya Pradesh is poha jalebi and the famous language of and the famous dance of Madhya Pradesh is Katali. And the famous food of Madhya Pradesh is poha jalebi. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Bhopal, the treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. Agriculture is the backbone of Madhya Pradesh because of the crops. For example, wheat, rice, and soybeans major to the economy of the Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Rudra.
Hello, I belong from Maharashtra. Maharashtra state is formed on 1st May 1960. The official language of Maharashtra is Marathi. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. There are 36 districts in Maharashtra. It is the second largest state in India based on population. It is the richest state in India. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Saksham.
Hello, I am from Odisha. Hello, I am from Odisha. It is Indian state located in eastern India. It has 30 districts. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. It's spread over 1,55,707 kilometers square. Maximum Hindu people, maximum Hindu people live here. About 4.19 crore people live here. Pakla bhatta dalma chana poda is famous dish. It is known for diverse tribal culture and wildlife sanctuary. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Samik.
Hi, I am from Rajasthan. Rajasthan is known as the land of king and India's largest state. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Jaipur is also known as the Pink City. It is famous for its forest. Thanks.
Now I would like to call Sanvi.
Hi, I belong from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is a South Indian state. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Tamil Nadu famous food like idli, dosa, etc. Tamil Nadu famous dress is sari for women and lungi or dhoti for men. Thanks.
Now I would like to call Sanvi.
Hello everyone, I am from Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. It is located in the north and west. Its famous dance is Cham dance. Its famous food is momos and thupka. Thank.
Speak loudly.
Now I would like to call Shivansh.
Hello everybody, I am belong from Telangana. Telangana is very beautiful state. Its capital is Hyderabad. It is also very beautiful city. It is famous for Charminar. Its famous dish is Salpindi. Telangana's traditional dress is kurti dhota for men, Godwal sari for women. If you give a chance to go Telangana, please go there. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Shivansh.
Hello, I am belong to the Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is a state in northern India. It has 241 million inhabitants. It is a very populated state in India. It has 75 districts. The tourism places are Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Ayodhya and Varanasi. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Udhav.
Hello everyone, I belong from Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known as Devbhoomi, the land of God. It is a Himalayan state in northern natural beauty, spirituality, and it is like sites like Haridwar, Rishikesh, and Chota Chata. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, and there are 13 districts. The largest district in Uttarakhand is Uttarkashi, and the famous sweet of Uttarakhand is Bal Mithai, and the famous dress for boys is dhoti kurta, and famous dress for girls is ladies for ghagras. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Udish.
Hello everyone, I am from West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. There are 28 districts in it. The people of West Bengal loves to eat fish, and West Bengali is most spoken language in West Bengal. It is famous for Howrah Bridge, Victoria Memorial and Eden Garden Stadium. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Vaibhav.
Hello everyone, I am Manipur. Manipur was founded in 21 January 1972. My capital is Imphal. Manipur covers an approximately 22,327 kilometers. Manipur was famous for Loktak Lake, Kangla Fort, Thaloons Caves and the Zuko Valley. It ranks 23rd by the people and also by the area. Mr. N. Biren Singh from BJP, the Chief Minister of Manipur. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Vedansh.
Hello, I am from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a state is northeast India. It is one of the seven sister states. The